Hello, my name is Kiia and I'm a social psychologist specialized in mindfulness. In this video, I'm going to explain you the basic psychology behind our unhappiness. It is very important to understand the workings of our mind and emotions in order to learn to cope with them the best way possible. So, what normally happens when we become aware that there are negative thoughts or emotions happening in us is that we either reject them. We're like, no, I don't want to feel this. I don't want to be sad. Why am I feeling sad? Or we compare this to the ideal or the past emotions or mental states we had. So, for example, I should be happier. Why can I not be as happy as I was before? And when this happens, we are perceiving our own thoughts and emotions as a problem. And we are trying to analyze this problem in order to solve it. We are starting to question ourselves. What did I do? What did others do to me? What went wrong? What if I won't feel better? What if everything is going to go wrong? What if the whole day is going to be ruined? And this can even lead to self-blame, like, why can I not even make myself happy? But in reality, our thoughts and our emotions, they are not problems. They are not something that we should or that we could solve. They are something to be experienced. And the problem is that our mind is very connected and our emotional state is very connected with our memory. So whenever we are feeling negative emotions and we are starting to try to solve them and analyze them, is that we are accessing all the memories from the moments we felt the same way, when we felt those negative states. We are trying to find the solution from those memories, and it is just making us feel worse. Also, our body is tensing. We are starting to make facial expressions, and those postural changes are telling our brain that something is really wrong now. And then we try to solve the problem, the emotion, even harder. And this leads us to the negative, like the circle of negative thoughts and emotions, which is harder to stop the deeper it goes. It's like downward spiral. It is very understandable that we are trying to solve these thoughts and emotions as if they were a problem. We cannot actually make a difference between an inner and outer stressor. So we are reacting the same way to our negative thoughts or fears as if we would be reacting to a tiger that is chasing us. And this leads to our bodily reactions of nervous system activating, and our heartbeat rate and our breathing rate is increasing. So if we still try to analyze and solve these mental states, it might be that the stress reaction becomes constant in our body, which is really, really harmful for our health. Because of this and the peace of our mind and the happiness in our lives, it will be really important to learn to cope with these thoughts and emotions in the best way possible. And luckily, mindfulness is giving us answers how to do that. I'm going to explain you more about that on the next video. I'm going to introduce how to cope with the negative thoughts and emotions. So see you next time and have a lovely day.